Hello everyone, welcome to Study to Lead with AI channel. Today we are going to discuss about pandas. So by end of the video we should be able to learn what is pandas, why we are using it over other data driven tools, how to retrieve the data from Excel sheets, how to do group values, how to do minimum and maximum calculations of the values, how to find the duplicate data and even delete them, how to merge two different data sets. What is pandas? Why we are discussing about pandas? Pandas is nothing but an open source data manipulation analysis library for Python. It's basically a Python library that will help us extensively to retrieve the data from huge data sets, even with multiple data sets. Pandas is the primary library where data analysts use to get the results, get at the data patterns out of a huge data. So today we will see practical applications of pandas and let's learn how to code them. I have a freshly built project here. If you see, I have named as a pandas with Python. So there is a shell. The first step we need to do is pip install pandas. This is the command we need to go. Since I have already installed it, we can see the requirement already satisfied, but in your case, if you are installing new, so this will download. Okay, and if you can see that I have one external file and I have one simple Python file. Let's get started. I just used import pandas as PD. The first case we are going to solve is list all data from CSV file. I'm putting this keyword as here, data. I've given my pandas as PD object. PD dot read underscore CSV, and I need to provide this name of this file. Okay, I'll just provide here. It's a string. Employee underscore data dot CSV. I have the name matches here, employee underscore data. Okay. Now what I do, I just simply print. Right. So with pandas, read CSV is a function where we are passing a string of file name and we are printing. Okay. Can just use Python main dot. Okay. So if you see that the data got printed, whatever we have in this Excel file, so whatever if I have in this Excel file, the data got printed. Let me create these things and run it again. Yeah, so we are able to, with the one single command, we are able to retrieve the data from the CSV file. So now another use case we solve is, so if you see this, there is a thing, right? Now what we will do is we'll go and add a salary column. Salary, and let's put some salary to 340, 3,400, 9,800, 7,600. Okay, so what we have done nothing but is just adding the salary, and we have added 9,000, 8,000. Okay, So let us run again to see this got reflected. Okay, what is the issue here? Invalid syntax. Yeah, sorry, this is the issue. Okay, you can see that salary got added. Now what we are going to do, we are going to get the salary. So get the highest salary of employee who is most paid. Okay, so what we need to do, I'll store the value whatever high salary emp is equal to data. See, this is gonna be if you see that it's stored as data. So inside the data I am going to take simply pass the salary. Here I'm going to give the condition more than 9,000, and if you see here, what I have done is I have given data. Inside the data I'm accessing the salary column, and the value should match more than 9,000. Now let me print. For printing that, so the highest salary employee, just want to format. Okay, so let's try it out. If you see the highest salary person, it is able to retrieve. Okay, the another use case we are going to see now, very interesting use case. If you see here, Mr. Cood, who is reporting, so this employee is 2, but if you see here, I'll open here. So if you see here, this is Cood, and it's the employee is 3, and if you see this employee to Ravi, and who is the manager of Ravi is Cood. Let us add little more data. Okay, 5, 6, let it be like this, and Rama, and manager is 3, Sweta, something random number I will give you. Okay, now if you see that Sweta reportees are more, right? Now we are going to find this employees who is reporting to Sweta. All right, find the employees reporting to Sweta. Okay, now we will do report employees is equal to, first we will do data of data. What we need to take? We need to take employee ID. You can take employee name, sorry, we should take manager ID. Take manager ID. Okay, before that we need to get the first the manager ID of Sweta. So manager ID is equal to data dot locate the particular column of Sweta dot data employee underscore name is equal to whom you are looking for. We are looking for Sweta. First we need to get the what is the manager ID of Sweta. If you see in SQL, select manager ID where employee name is equal to Sweta. So like similarly we are writing it. Underscore. How we will get even the column we need to do is employee ID dot oops 0. Just a second. Let's see, we have completely closed it. Employee name. Okay, one more bracket we have. We have to, yeah. Now we got the manager ID. Once we get the manager ID of Sweta, what we are going to do? We are going to pass this over here. So what we are telling, data of manager ID is equal to manager of ID. There are twos. Yes, I just need to take this up. Okay. This should work fine. Now we are going to print it. Print okay. So now we need to print, like we can format here the number of employees reporting to Sweta is, and just put it in curly braces. This is a Python code. Let us try it out. If it's not working, let us debug. Okay. Print format. What is the problem here? Yeah, I did not close this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I need to put the length column over here. That's why it's not displaying. So count is equal to length of okay. This is the length method. Now what I'm going to copy paste over here. Let's try now. You can see the number of reportees here are for 4. Okay, now what we do, we'll solve another case which is finding the duplicate data. We are not only going to find the duplicate data, or we are going to create a new files and add the fresh data over it. Now let's see here. Let us delete the history. Let's try to get duplicate data. Get and delete all duplicate records. Okay. Okay, let us delete it and we go here. We have a duplicate data. Let me put here some duplicate data, just to copy paste it. Okay, now we'll see how easy to just get it. Okay, now we'll see. No duplicate data is equal to whatever data we got, right? Just to take the data column, data dot, we're going to call method drop underscore duplicates. Now we need to pass the, based on what column you are going to find it's a duplicate. See, it's even suggesting a subset is equal to what we are going to take. We are going to take this column. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to get it, drop the duplicate data, and we are going to get the data retrieve back. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to create a new CSV and write the data over there. So for that, what I'm going to do, no duplicate data dot to underscore CSV, and I'm going to give a new data, no duplicates dot CSV. Okay, and I'm going to give index is equal to false. Okay, because index is equal to false. Let's see, it will create a new data, and without, not only it removes the duplicates, it even adds the data. Let's see. So let me, for readable purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it. Just okay. So we're getting supply and duplicating. Okay, let us run it out. If any issue, I'll fix it off. If you can see, a new column got created, and you can see the duplicate data has been removed. So it's merging two data files. If you see here, the data when I'm storing this CSV file, and data 2 I'm storing the CSV file, and I am combining the CSV files based on the column, based on the file values. And now I'm also creating into new file, and again I'm printing here. So now if you see, employee table have CSV file, this is another CSV file, and I have a one file, main file. Now what I will do is, let me run it. Just python main.py. Okay, now if you see that the two files got been edited, and a new file, whatever name we have given, combined.is has been created, and you can see that the data has been merged. Yeah, these are the use cases we have covered. Thanks everyone for please subscribe and like this video if you get any benefit from this video. Thank you.